Growing your own pineapple might sound like a far-fetched dream, but it's easier than you think. With just a bit of effort and some basic knowledge, you can bring a slice of the tropics right into your living space. Imagine plucking a juicy, sun-ripened pineapple right from your own plant. The satisfaction of harvesting your own fruit is unparalleled. This tropical treat is not just delicious, it's also surprisingly adaptable to growing indoors and in a variety of climates. Whether you live in a warm, sunny region or a cooler area, you can still enjoy the process of growing pineapples. Whether you have a spacious garden or a sunny windowsill, you can experience the joy of cultivating this exotic fruit at home. Pineapples are versatile and can thrive in different environments with the right care. With a little patience and the right know-how, you'll be on your way to enjoying the sweet rewards of your very own pineapple plant. The process is simple and rewarding, making it a perfect project for both novice and experienced gardeners. It all starts with a simple trip to the grocery store. Selecting the right pineapple is the first step in your growing journey. Choose a ripe pineapple with healthy green leaves. These vibrant leaves indicate that the pineapple is fresh and ready to be transformed into a new plant. This vibrant crown is your starting point for a brand new pineapple plant. Carefully remove it and prepare it for planting. With some careful preparation and a bit of nurturing, you can transform this grocery store find into a thriving symbol of tropical bounty right in your own home. Watching it grow and eventually bear fruit is a truly rewarding experience. Once you've selected your pineapple, make sure it's ripe and fresh. A ripe pineapple will have a sweet aroma at the base and a firm, yet slightly yielding texture when you press it gently. It's time to separate the leafy crown from the fruit. Grasp the crown firmly and twist it off with a steady motion, or you can use a knife to cut it off if you prefer. Hold the pineapple firmly with one hand, and using a sharp knife, carefully cut off the top, leaving about an inch of the fruit attached to the leaves. This bit of fruit will help provide nutrients as the crown starts to grow. Now set the pineapple top aside for a day or two, allowing the cut end to dry and callus over. This drying process is crucial as it helps to prevent any potential rotting when you plant the crown. This step is important to prevent rotting when you plant the crown. A well-calloused end will ensure that the pineapple top is ready for the next stage of planting. Next, carefully remove the bottom leaves from the pineapple top, exposing about an inch of the stem. This will give the new roots space to grow and establish themselves. You might notice small brown bumps along the stem. These are the root buds that will eventually grow into your pineapple plant's root system. These root buds are essential for the successful growth of your new pineapple plant. Choose a pot that is slightly larger than your pineapple top, ensuring it has good drainage holes. Fill the pot with a well-draining potting mix, preferably one designed for cacti or succulents. Make a small hole in the center of the soil, just large enough to accommodate the exposed stem of your pineapple top. Gently insert the stem into the hole, ensuring the bottom leaves are just above the soil line. Firm the soil around the base of the crown, providing support for your new plant. Now water the soil thoroughly, allowing excess water to drain out. Section 4. Caring for your pineapple plant, sun, water and temperature. Place your potted pineapple plant in a bright, sunny location. Pineapple plants thrive in warm temperatures, ideally between 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, or 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. If you live in a cooler climate, a sunny windowsill or a greenhouse will provide the warmth your pineapple needs. Water your pineapple plant regularly, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to find the right balance. During the growing season, which is spring and summer, you can feed your pineapple plant with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, harvesting and enjoying your homegrown pineapple. Patience is key when it comes to growing pineapples. Unlike many other fruits, pineapples require a significant amount of time and care to reach their full potential. It can take anywhere from 18 months to 2 years for your pineapple plant to produce fruit. This long growth period is a testament to the resilience and unique nature of the pineapple plant. You'll know your pineapple is ready for harvest when the skin starts to turn yellow and the fruit emits a sweet aroma. This is the moment you've been waiting for, a sign that your hard work has paid off. Once harvested, cut the pineapple from the plant and enjoy the fruits of your labor. The process of cutting the pineapple is simple, but be sure to use a sharp knife to make a clean cut. The flavor of a homegrown pineapple, nurtured by your care and attention, is an experience unlike any other. Each bite is a reward for your dedication and patience. And the best part? After your pineapple plant fruits, it will often produce new shoots, allowing you to continue the cycle and enjoy a continuous supply of this tropical delight. These new shoots can be replanted, giving you the opportunity to grow even more pineapples in the future.